Hello, everyone. I know how frustrating it is to stare at the ceiling at 3 a.m., wondering if you'll ever fall asleep. But guess what? I've uncovered 9 sleep secrets that are total game changers, and I'm thrilled to share them with you. First up, let's talk about the red light revolution. Did you know that red light therapy can help regulate your sleep cycles? It's like magic, but it's all science. You can try red light bulbs or even apps that tweak your screen's color at night. Next, let's melt away that tension with the muscle melt technique. Start by relaxing your toes and slowly move up to your head. Remember, deep, mindful breathing is key here. Just let all that stress float away. Now, onto the brain dump. Ever feel like your brain is on a hamster wheel at bedtime? Grab a journal and pour out those thoughts. It's incredibly freeing and sets you up for a peaceful night. Temperature matters too. Keep your sleeping environment cool, ideally between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. It makes a massive difference. Darkness is your friend when it comes to sleep. Blackout curtains or eye masks can be your best allies. Make your bedroom a cave of comfort. Creating a pre-sleep wind-down routine is vital. Maybe a warm bath, some herbal tea, or a good book. No screens allowed. Let's not forget the sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom should be a temple of tranquility. Invest in comfortable bedding and maybe add some soothing aromas. Timing is everything. Try to hit the hay and wake up at the same time every day. Yes, even on weekends. Lastly, watch what you eat and drink before bed. Cherries and almonds are great, but caffeine and alcohol? Not so much. There you have it. 9 secrets to unlock better sleep tonight. Try them out and let me know how you go in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips. Sweet dreams. Sweet